Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will begin by verifying the essentials so changes take effect. Open Settings and install pending Windows 11 updates. This fixes many underlying bugs. Next, make sure you're signed into the account whose lock screen you want to change because personalization is account-specific. Have the images you want or decide to use Windows Spotlight. Once done, go to Settings Personalization Lock Screen and we'll start changing the source and immediate image behavior. Now you change the actual sources and ensure supporting services run. In Lock Screen Settings, pick Picture, Slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. Pick one so Windows isn't confused by multiple sources. If you choose Slideshow, point it to a dedicated folder with valid image files and enable or disable camera roll as you prefer. Then open Services. MSC and Verify related services like Theme are running. Disabled services can block updates. This ensures the system can load and rotate images reliably. Finish by clearing caches and forcing a refresh so new images appear. If you use Spotlight, delete its local package data and app data and restart Explorer or the PC to rebuild the cache. This clears stuck images. For Picture or Slideshow, toggle the lock screen option off and on, then sign out or restart to force reload. If images still don't change, create a new user account to test for profile corruption. If that fixes it, migrate settings and files to the new account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.